Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Mitsubishi. I've got to say it's not the easiest one I've ever used, but fortunately once you get to know how to do it, then it's not too bad. So you've got all these buttons. I mean, there's map, you've got navigation menu here. Navigation menu doesn't really tell you much, but then you've got this little kind of checkered flag button here. That's the button you need to press, so click that. Then you've got address, points of interest and postal code. So if we go to address, junction, house, junction and so on, that's kind of a long-winded way of doing it. You can also go to the last 5 addresses that you've used, so go back. Then we want postal code, so postcode here, we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. My fingers are too big for this screen, so you've got to get dead on right in the middle. PR, so Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 and then 4JS. So that's what we want set. You hear it beeping there, you think you've done it but you've not, so then you have to go to street. So streets, we're Chorley Road. Now it's already highlighted C, but so Chorley, and it's come up with Chorley Road there, so that's what we need. So now when we press set, it beeps properly, and then we can click start.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
Okay, so that's how it works. It's not really intuitive. A lot of sat navs you only have to put the postcode in, it just takes you to that area, but this you have to narrow it down more, otherwise it won't let you set it. So that's that.